number 8.
Number 8?
Up the stairs, number 8.
Thanks. Number 8's up the stairs.
Please stay seated until the next stop and inform the nearest guest.
Try again.
Thank you.
Because you are staying at a Walt Disney World Resort waiting to be checked in for extra magic hours. If not,
It's 7:45 right now. This is a line already just to get over to Pandora.
We have to wait till 8?
Yep. It's going crazy. There's like there's so many people. You can see everybody's just rushing over to Pandora right now. And I'm pretty sure we got like a 2-hour wait to be able to do any of this. 8 o'clock on the dot.
Pandora Flight of Passage is going to be down here to your right. It is 180 minutes.
180 minutes at rope drop.
Keep looking at them.
Is this going down to go back? Looks like this is the virtual turning line. We're like in a different continent now. We're literally out of Pandora. It's real. We made it.
Well, yeah.
Oh, 3 hours. You gotta do this for 3 hours. For 55 minutes, and we're back at the standby entrance. So we went all the way back and then through, and now we're back. There's a rope that way, a little bit. And then they're letting people walk through the street, but then they walk off the street and let the rest of the line through to get to the beginning of the entrance. If people have fast passes, they get to just go right in. It's gotta feel nice. I had to book the fast passes 60 days in advance in order to actually get in. 30 days, they were already booked all the way out. to the mountain inside part area now. I don't know what we're gonna expect. We're sitting in now at an hour and a half, and I don't know if we're almost there or not. How much farther is it?
About an hour.
Okay. So it's still another hour at this point. It's ridiculous.
How many?
One.
Just one blue number 2, sir. How many here? All the way down.
I think we're finally here. It said blue 2 since I'm riding solo. Unfortunately, I don't have any singles lines. This has been a hell of a wait. You can see from the time. 2 hours and 40 minutes. It's kind of ridiculous.
Number 8.
Number 8.
Up the stairs. Number 8.
Thanks. Number 8's up the stairs. Single rider number 1. Let's do this.
All right, everyone, stay on your number and move your arms a bit. Okay, start scan. Okay, to get you flying on a banshee, we need to find each of you an avatar. Let's prep the genetic sampling.
I'm on it.
Okay, first we need to find the compatible match of your genetic material with the genetic material of one of the avatar bodies that we already have. Once we do that, you'll be able to link to that avatar and fly. All right, you've all been matched with avatars. Ooh, looks like they're ready for you in the next room.
This is the chair. This is office. Alright, so I did it. I waited in Avatar. Took 2 hours and like 45 minutes to get on the ride at opening on supposedly a slow season, so definitely not recommended to do that. The line is shorter now than it was actually when it actually opened, so go figure. That's just kind of the way it goes. But it was fun though, definitely worth going on the ride. 2 hour wait, probably worth it. And the line does kind of go fast, but at the end of the day, it's if you want to spend the 3 hours or not at opening. So I definitely would recommend just waiting. But yeah, fun ride nonetheless.